Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. Be if you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, I'm about to show you guys this unit from Ywigs.com that I'm about to style and customize. So the unit is in 16 inches. It is a kinky curly Brazilian hair. And it is in 150% density. It is a HD lace and it is a 13x6 frontal. So it came with a band on the inside, you know, to get your wig nice and snug if you want to wear it as a glueless type of unit. And of course you got those 3 combs on the inside to, you know, make sure that your hair is nice and secure. Now this hair already came pre-plucked and the knots already bleached for you, so honestly you don't have to do too much. All you have to do is just melt the lace and cut off the excess lace. That's basically all you gotta do. Like, it's already plucked, it's already bleached, like it is just ready to be worn. However, you know, I gotta customize it. It's a little bit stiff right now because of the curl pattern and everything, but I need it to be nice and, you know, soft and free flowing. So even though the lace, the frontal is already customized in a sense that it's already pre-plucked, I felt like I wanted it to be a little bit thinner in the front. It was a little bit too dense still for my liking, so I'm just gonna do a light pluckation in the front just to make it a little bit thinner. So I'm not gonna do anything drastic or hectic. We're just trying to take out a little bit of hair in the front. Now that I am satisfied with how I have the wig, we won't be doing the bald cap method for this. And I did wash the hair. I co-washed the hair. I brushed it out and co-wash it because I wanted it to make it look a little bit more kinkier. I didn't want the curls to look too uniform. I wanted it to be as natural as possible. So with brushing it out and then co-washing, meaning you wash with only conditioner, it gave it more of a 4A4B type of hair texture, which I like. So it gives me, like, you know, like as if it's my natural hair, like, but you know, longer, because my natural hair ain't this long. But yeah, so I'm just trying to align the frontal to make sure that it aligns properly, mimicking my natural hairlining and all of that. I'm trying to decide if I want a center part or a side part, and just how I'm going to customize it, because honestly I was a little bit nervous with how it was going to turn out. So I'm cutting off the sides to make sure that it lays properly behind my ears and the sideburns and all that good stuff. So what I do is I make 2 cuts in the lace to help me navigate and melt the lace properly. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do a side part. I feel like I'm more comfortable with a side part when it comes to like a kinky texture. So I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm not gonna comb it straight through. I'm just trying to get the parting to lie how I want it to, since the hair came in a center part. So then I'm going to use my typical method of using the Got2b freezing spray to melt the lace. And I didn't spray anything in terms of any lace tint. I didn't do any makeup on the lace initially before melting it. And it was like an undetectable, effortless type of HD lace. Like, this lace is bomb AF. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and just dry the Got2b freezing spray to make sure that, you know, it's nice and melted. And that's basically how I melt. I don't do the extra stuff. Always a lazy girl method for me. Just keep it simple and keep it pushing. If it gotta take longer than 15 to 30 minutes to do my hair in terms of a wig, I'm not interested, okay? Like, I like it to be quick. I ain't got time to be doing it for hours. You feel me? So now I'm just going to take off the excess lace, and then I'm going to do a little bit of swoop-de-doop, not too much, just something real simple. Now while I'm doing the swoops and all that good stuff, just a little rundown on this hair. As I said, I got it in 16 inches and it is 150% density. I did experience some shedding with this hair, especially when I brushed it out to do before I did the co-wash, and obviously with plucking the front you're gonna have some loose hair. However, with kinky curly hair, like you do experience some shedding with it. You won't after you co-wash. So once I co-washed the hair, I didn't see any more loose hair with the hair, and all I had to do was, you know, cut it to you know, shape up the hair a bit. It wasn't in the best shape at this moment, so I'm gonna just take my scissors and cut it to shape my face better. And I'm gonna do a little bit of the cutting off camera, but it's just basically just cutting and customizing the hair to, you know, best suit you. So I would highly recommend co-washing the hair before you actually style it, so you can see the true kinky texture of the hair, and also to loosen the hair a bit so that, you know, it's free flowing, it looks softer, and it feels softer as well by co-washing it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of bronzing powder just to put on the lace itself to match my complexion and my makeup, so that, you know, it's less detectable and it looks as natural as possible. And there you have it, the final look. Let me know what you guys think about this look and this unit. Like, the natural look of it is giving. It's everything for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Chev. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go on ahead and subscribe down below. All the details you'll need will be down in the description box. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.
When we step off, you can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me